Welcome to our training Add Offers to Products Already in Amazon's Catalog. You'll need to upload and list your products in Seller Central to sell them in the Amazon store. In this video, we'll review step-by-step instructions for listing products one at a time using the Add Products tool. To begin adding products, click the menu icon in the top left-hand corner. Hover over Catalog, then click Add Products. You'll be redirected to the List Your Products page. On this page, you'll be provided with 6 different options to list a product. In this training, we will cover the 3 options you can use to list a product sold in the Amazon store: Search, Product IDs, and Web URL. For more information on how to use these tabs, watch the additional videos in the More Information section in Seller University. Let's start with the Product IDs and Web URL options. For the Product IDs option, you can search for the product by using the UPC, EAN, ISBN, or ASIN ID. For the Web URL, you can copy and paste the link to the product directly from the Amazon store or other manufacturer's website. Once you've entered either the Product ID or Web URL, click Submit. For the Product ID, if you're eligible to sell the product, you'll be taken to the offer page. For the Web URL, you'll be taken to the Complete Your Drafts page, where you'll need to click Review and Submit. Then, if you're eligible to sell the product, you'll be taken to the Offer page. On this page, you'll fill out the contribution SKU, quantity, your price, offering condition type, and fulfillment channel. Then select other marketplaces in which you want to list the product and click Save and Finish. If you're not eligible, you'll either see Not Available, which means you can't list the product, or Apply to Sell, which means you need to be approved to sell this item before creating the offer. You can click on Apply to Sell to access the approval process. If you select the Search option to match to an existing listing, you'll enter either the product title, description, or the keywords that best describe your product in the search bar and click Submit. On the next page, search for the product you're listing. You can also use the options under the Narrow by Category or Narrow by Brand sections to help narrow down your search results. After you've located the product you'd like to list, choose its condition and select Sell this product. If Not Available appears next to your product, select the Show Limitations drop-down menu to review the reason, and click Learn More for further details. If you see an Apply to Sell button next to a product, it means that it requires approval before you can sell it in the Amazon store. Select the button to open a selling application, which you'll use to apply to get approval to list the product in the Amazon store. Select the menu icon in the top left corner of Seller Central. Hover over Catalog and click View Selling Applications to see the status of your applications. Once approved, you can list your product in the condition you chose. Or if you're declined, you can click Reapply. After you've selected your product, enter your offer information in the Offer section. We've marked all required fields with an asterisk symbol, but recommend you also complete the Contribution SKU field. You can add your own item number or a unique identifier you use to categorize your products to easily compare what you've listed in Seller Central to your own records. Contribution SKUs are also often used by third-party integration tools to tie systems together. If you leave this field blank, we'll generate a random alphanumeric SKU for you. Keep in mind that you won't be able to change the product SKU after you click the Save and Finish button. You can select Required, Recommended, or All Attributes using the Attributes filter on the left-hand side. You'll also be able to add attributes to your offer after you've matched it to the product's detail page. When you've completed the required fields, as well as any optional fields, click the Save and Finish button to match your offer. This concludes our training, Add Offers to Products Already in Amazon's Catalog. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.